And with me is my partner, my nyor, Noy Paking. Puhon. Season Orbs, si Malaya na sa ni. And with me is my partner, my nyor, Noy Paking.
Unsay kisa mga siyaw, kumusta itong mga kasing-kasing diha?
Ay. Bitaw guys, naami karon din sa Mahogany Place. Nag-launch lang mi kanina. So as you've seen from the previous clips earlier, and wala, nagchika-chika rami dire sa sud sa car, and today is such a good day to talk about goals and dreams, no? And nindot kaayo sa pamati magplano labi na hisgutan ang good investments for the future.
Yes, sakto jud ka kadihan yor. Mas nindot jud storyahan ang future labi na kung hunaw-naon nga kuyog ti ka.
Kiyat lang nang naong nimo bitaw guys. We were just having a meaningful conversation about the memories we've shared with this car. I mean, I just bought this car this year, January nyo, no? Pero kana bitong daghan na kay mignaadtuan nga mga lugar, lingaw kaayo mi, mga places we went, mga friends we've shared this car with, and the unforgettable adventures we've been. So
yes, tinood na mga bay. If you've been following us, road trips are one of our favorite things to do during free time na mo jud.
Diba? Magdagan na kitag natuan yun, mga campsites, mga beach, mga bukid, diba? Tinuod yun. So malingaw jud kaayo mi guys, as in to think kasi dan na nga sakyanan, pero we've shared this with so many friends na daghan na kitag naadtuan. So mo na lingaw jud kaayo, magsige mig road trips to get off our minds from our busy schedules pa. Mo na probably in the near future nakahuna-huna mi nga mukuha mi og laing sakyanan, probably a bigger car. Diba? Puhon. So syempre as time goes by mag-change magid atong needs, diba? Because of our changing circumstances. Bitaw guys, kawawa mo sa among panagstorya ba, we came across this legitimate and trusted car dealer of second-hand cars here in Cebu. It is the 5 Aces Car Display Center.
Yes, kay tungod excited man kaayo ni siya among adton ilang place of business to further inquire sa ilang mga services.
Yay! Let's go! Excited ko. Season Orb. So karon na kita din sa 5 Aces. They currently have 2 branches here in Cebu. One located here in Gizo, Mandaue, AS for Tuna Extension. Unahan lang gini siya guys sa Andy Hotel kung asa ta karon, and the other one is located in North Reclamation Awano Avenue beside Bay Hotel in Mandaue City. And here with us today is Miss Jade, one of the sales associate here in 5 Aces, to answer our questions regarding second-hand cars. Hi, Miss Jade.
Hello.
So I heard that 5 Aces has been in the car dealership industry for over 18 years now. So mo ginay one of the reasons why wala kita nagduha-duhag pa konsulta. Wa gid mi nagduha-duhag pa konsulta ninyo dinhi.
Yeah, since 2002 pa main operation.
Oh, dugay-dugay na gid Miss, no? So we really can't wait to tour around your shop. So let's start now.
Dayon mo.
Tara.
daghan jud yung mga klase-klase nga mga sakyanan gina-offer diri Miss no.
Yes, sir. Indeed, daghan jud. We offer a wide variety of quality good as brand new cars. So, diri na ami available Vios for sedans. We also have available Wigo for mga hatchbacks. We also have available Navara, Hilux, if
Parehas
ever
yan.
nakita mo. Kung mga pickups. And then we have available commuter, Gandia for van. So, daghan-daghan jud mig ma-offer diri.
Bitaw no, na-notice po na ako ganina nag-tour around magita no. The cars here really look brand new. It feels new good. Actually, Miss Jade, I'm eyeing on this Ford Ranger 2020, diba? XLT.
Yes.
Kay super nice kid siya, no? And kami manggod ni Paco, we've mentioned sa amo ang mga viewers earlier nga hiligid mig adventure. So kanang ideal para namo gid ang kanang mga big nga sakyanan no. Soon we are planning on getting one pickup gyud. So,
Wow.
may ta kani
Kani.
pohon mapalit na to niya no. So at least karon pa nakatanaw-tanaw naman everything. And also one of the advantages that I've learned good no from buying a second-hand cars kay you can save a lot of money instead of buying brand new, di ba?
Yes. Actually, the best way yun to save money is to buy a second-hand car. Because as we know, cars are depreciating assets. So, by the time magawas na siya sa kasa, depreciate na yun yung value. So, practically lang yun. The best way to save is to buy a second-hand car. Not only makasave mo, we also give value to your money. So, if, for example, nakay budget na 300k, then you're looking for a small car. So, usually, people would think nga mga Picanto, Celerio. Here in 5 Aces, we can offer you cheap sedan na. So, naami available 2013 nga Vios. O, diba? Naka-Vios na
Ito,
ka.
okay na kayo for the price of like
Sedang.
200k or
And
300k.
then, if ever sa 400 to 500k, we also have available compact car, 7 to 8 seaters na for only diha nga budget. So we have available 2015 na Suzuki Ertiga.
So, Miss Jade, unsa pa ang inyong ika-offer sa inyong mga clients?
We give the best customer service good miss. Kay before and after, amo yun ang ginalimpyo ang sakyanan. And then we actually have 3 mode of payments. So for cash payments, we offer free transfer of ownership. And then we also accept financing. So as of now, we have tie-up financing companies, Global and Asia Link. And then pwede ra mo apply locally employed, with business, or even OFW or mga seaman. And then, if naamoy old cars nga ganahan ninyo i-dispose, we also accept trade-ins. So, for trade-in, pwede rata actual appraisal ta. And then, sabot lang ta. If pila na lang yung i-add na cash, or you can even loan the remaining amount. Yeah.
Okay dai kay ni Miss no.
Okay kayo, sir.
Okay kayo.
Andam na yung bulsa?
Oo, Jod. So, with this being said, we offer you quality car at a fair price. Kaya tanan na mo units, negotiable pa ni siya upon viewing. Yes.
So, for example, kaning Ford, Miss, pila may baligyan ninyo ano?
This is 989.
989. So, pwede siya mga 988 na lang.
Na, kasyan? Karon na.
1,000!
Yes, podcast.
1,000 pesos ra. Bitaw, mahangyo man mo, no?
Yes, of course. Yes.
Magpa-cute lang. Tamang pa-cute lang, guys. Miss Jade, nalingaw jud kaayo mig tour no, tanang-tanang sa mga cars kanina. But now I have another question. Sure. Dagan yung question. I was wondering, what about those clients who are outside Cebu? Do you also cater mga clients who are outside Cebu?
Yes, in fact, we offer free online visits sa among mga units through online video calls para sa mga clients na mo are outside Cebu nga maka-check pod sila sa unit. Yes.
Nya Miss, ang inyong pag-ship sa mga sakyanan,
Bitaw, saan na siya?
Kuan, we offer assistance for shipments nationwide. Yes.
Wow, that's good. So, daghan gid ay mo makater sa inyong services, Miss Jade, no?
Daghan jud.
That's really good to know. Thank you so much for accommodating us and our questions. Nalingaw ba mo sa tour? Kaya kami nalingaw gid mi no. Unsay mo mga ganahan dito? Daghan kag na.
ang
Kitaan.
pick up na Toyota.
Oh, ganahan ko sa Ford. We sure did learn a lot of things today, right now. Yeah. Excited ako. Thank you. So guys, mao kadto ang atong pagbisita sa 5 Aces Car Display Center. Personally, mas na-excite jud ko karon yor, as in this is going to be part of our future plans, diba, that we will really consider really soon. And nalipay jud ko kay nakabisita ta dito, and I've also learned or na-enlighten jud ko, no, nga tinuod ma-depreciate magud ang value sa cars. So I think mas makasave gid ta if we buy second-hand cars. At the same time, na-upgrade pa itong sakyanan, di ba?
Yes, ako sa nyo, especially daghan kitag nakatunan ni Miss Jade.
So, mga season orbs, I hope you also learned something from this vlog today. And for more information, feel free to contact Miss Jade or Miss Mitch through these numbers. And also, please follow na pod 5 Aces Car Display Center's socials, ilang Instagram, ilang Facebook, to get to know more about the company. So, to anyone who is considering to buy second-hand cars like us, feel free to visit 5 Aces in any of their branches. So I hope you guys enjoy this vlog as much as we did. And we'll see you on our next one. Bye!
Bye!